So I've been sitting here for the longest time trying to shoot this card into that cup, but it just hasn't been working out. So I'm gonna try this one more time. If I can get this card into this cup, I'm gonna show you how to do the card squeeze shot. Okay, so you may not believe me, but that was actually my first try. You know, I seriously had no idea I'd get this card to land in the cup, but I was gonna teach this move regardless, and it happened to work out perfectly. Amazing. So now I feel better making this video. I'm gonna teach you how to do the squeeze shot card flick. There's so many things we can do. Okay. The possibilities for this move are practically endless. You can use it as a party trick, you can use it as a reveal in a card trick, or you can just do it for fun because it's fun to do. So that being said, let's go ahead and break it down. I really thought that would hit the camera lens. All right, so the squeeze shot move is not difficult at all. You're gonna either be holding the card in your left hand if you're a lefty or a right hand if you're a righty. All right, so the grip is gonna look something like this. I'm gonna be holding the card in my right hand. So I'm gonna take my thumb like this, put it on the bottom right hand corner, but it's not gonna be completely on the tip. It's gonna be pushed in just a little bit more like this. Now for the top corner, I'm gonna take my middle finger and put it on the top corner, but it's gonna be more towards the tip. So the thumb is going in a bit deeper. The middle finger is pretty much right at the tip, looking something like this. And now the squeeze of the card is really gonna depend on how far you want the card to go. If you want the card to go further, squeeze harder. If you want it to go not as far, you squeeze lighter. So really the squeeze is just the power scale. You know, when you're playing video games, set the power to max, set it to minimum. You know, that's exactly what it is with the squeeze. And now the only thing to do now, once you've adjusted your squeeze, your power, is to pull down and back with the middle finger, releasing the card like that. And one last thing to note, there's also control associated with power. So power determines how high it goes. Control is going to determine where it's going to land. So you can see if I do it completely straight up, it's going to go kind of in an arc. So I'm shooting with my right hand, it's going to go arc to my left. So as you can see, it shot to my left hand. And now if I want it to go straight up, I'm just going to tilt my wrist a little bit. And you'll see it goes straight up, comes right back down. And there you have the card squeeze shot. You know, I like to take things easy once in a while just with these simple videos so that I have more time to plan out content. But I truly hope you enjoyed learning this move, and maybe one day you'll be able to shoot this card into this cup. Oh yeah. Since this was a short tutorial, I'm sure you have some extra time which you can use to watch some more of my content. Go ahead and check it out. I'll see you there. Peace out.